Hello everybody, it's your boy Professor Patio, and we are going to continue our number lines series of videos, but today we are going to specifically focus on decimals and how to put decimals on the number line. So for example, right here this problem is 2 9/10 or 2.9. So decimals are numbers with a decimal point in it, okay? So let's take a look at this problem. It says here, plot 2 9/10 on a number line. Now for some of you, just by looking at this problem, you might start to realize that this is the same thing. This over here is the same thing as 2 9/10, because this is actually how you read it. You don't usually say 2.9, you actually say 2 9/10. Okay, so this way is a picture way. Now some of you are going to be able to do this right away. So this is 2 holes, this is 2 holes, so you write 0 holes, 1 holes, 2 holes, and then you have to figure out where 9/10 is, because that's the last part. Where is 9/10? You could cut this into 10 parts. This might be a little tricky. So on this side, I'm going to cut it into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here I'm going to cut it into 5 parts again. Okay. So now I need to find 9/10. 9/10. So here's 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10. And so I'm gonna stop. It stops right here, and so I'm just gonna draw a line right here. Now this is a little tight to write over here, so I'm just gonna go cheat and go down more, and I'm just gonna say, hey, this is where 2 9/10 is. And I'm done. Okay. Now this is just some extra stuff, but I'm gonna draw this extra stuff so you can visualize it better. Okay, because some of you, even for me, I'm a visual learner, so I like seeing things better. Okay, so whoops, I need a darker color. Okay, so I started out by figuring out where 2 holes is. It's all the way here. So 2 holes. And now I needed to figure out 9/10. 2 holes and 9/10, and 9/10 is here because 9/10 is here. Okay, so there's a lot going on here, but really drawing that picture helps. Okay, drawing that picture of 9/10 was very helpful, but also knowing this piece, that this is the same as this, that's also very helpful. Okay, now let's take a look at a second way, but we're actually going to do a different problem. Okay, now this problem's different because not only do we have a tenths place, we have a hundredths place. So this is the hundredths place, and in fact we have to figure out how to deal with 4 hundredths. Okay, think of it. Now here's the thing. For this way, I want you to think of money. Now this 3.74, and by the way, we call it 3 74/100. This actually reminds me of money. It reminds me of $3.74. $3.74. Okay. Now we can focus on the tenths place because we know how to deal with tenths. Okay. And remember, this is $3.74 or 3 74/100. Okay, so let me try this. I know this $3 is 3 holes, so 0 holes, 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes. I'm gonna run out of room here. Make it longer. I'm just gonna go 4 holes. And the reason why I did that, why I put 4 holes, is because I know that 3 7400ths or $3.74, this is between 3 and 4. It's between 3 and 4. Okay, it's between $3 and $4. Okay, so it's somewhere here. All right, so now remember, this way says focus on the tenths. Okay, focus on the tenths. So we're gonna focus on this being 7/10. And so let me just highlight something. So we jumped all the way here to 3 holes, but now, sorry, we jumped here to 3 holes, which is like jumping to $3. Now we have $3, but we just need 74 cents. Okay, so one way to do this is to figure out where 7/10 is. So from 3 to 4 is a whole. It's a whole dollar. Okay, and I'm gonna cut this into tenths again. So remember, focus on the tenths is one way to do it. I'm gonna cut this to 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. I'm gonna cut this to 5 pieces also. Why did I do that? It's because now I have tenths. Okay, I have 1/10. So remember, I need 7/10. Here's 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10. Here's 7/10. Okay, so here's 7/10. From here to here is 7/10. Now if I went here, this is 8/10. Okay, but we're not, so I want you to think about it this way. So let's see what's going on here. Okay, right here is 3 and 7/10. Right here is 3 and 8/10. Now by the way, here's another thing. This is also $3.70. And I can add a 0 here. And this is also $3.80. So where is $3.74? Where's 3 and 7400ths? Well, it has to be between here and here. And this is kind of near the middle of it. Not quite. So I'm gonna put it kind of near the middle. And I'm gonna put my dot somewhere here. Okay, and I'm gonna say that's where 3 and 7400ths is. Okay, that's where $3.74 is, because I said it was gonna be slightly around here. Okay, gets really tricky to be exact and precise. So you're gonna take like your best guess if you have a decimal with a hundredths place in it. Okay, so I hope this video helps. That might be a lot, so feel free to rewind the video, pause it at any time. Thank you so much for watching. There are many ways to do math. You just saw 2 ways to put decimals on a number line. Okay, and remember, you're a problem solver, I'm a problem solver, and we all are problem solvers. Have an awesome day.